it's Lorena and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, hey, what's up? I'm Lorena. I make beauty, fashion, and lifestyle videos every Saturday. So if you enjoy this, stay tuned for more. But you may have noticed from the background that we're not in our usual wooden background in my room today. I am coming at you from my mama's kitchen. And I'm so excited to be sharing this recipe with you guys because I'm not much of a cook, but this is something I love to make on like a Saturday or Sunday where I really want something like delicious, but I'm not much of a meat eater. I've actually stopped eating meat since like last year, probably like almost like 8 months now. And I do eat it when my parents make carne asadas, or you know, maybe I want to have a burger or something, but like not much, not very often. And when I do, I feel like I don't digest it very well. So I make these tacos because I love tacos, of course, I'm Mexican, but also they're fake meat. So they're not real meat, so I can still digest it well. I don't feel heavy afterwards. They're not oily, they're not greasy, they're just right, and they make me feel so good, and they're delicious. Anyway, guys, I'm at my kitchen. I'm loving it. Let's just get into the video so you guys can see what I'm talking about. So first we're going to start by making the guacamole, or guac, as people say at Chipotle. How my family makes it is we get avocados, obviously, and I'll cut them and wash them in just a second. We're also going to need some tomatoes, an onion, and you can use purple or white. This one had already been cut, so I was like, let me just use this one. I'm also going to add cilantro. Here it is. I gotta wash it. And a lime, because I love lime. My mom hates it. I love it very much. We're also gonna need a bowl, so I just have this glass one right here. And you need a really good knife. This one is from Princess House. I have no idea. This is my mom's stuff, but it's a good knife. You don't want to use a small one or a dull one because cutting is going to take so long. Oh my god, you guys, I forgot the most important part. I forgot to put my apron on. So this is my mom's mandil or apron. Alright, now we're ready to rock. Maybe I should wash my hands again. Nah, I'm good. And oh my god, look at this avocado. This one is so cute, but I hope it's not hard. So now I'm going to wash my tomatoes, and now I'm just going to dice them. So yeah, just cut off the little ends. I don't like the ends. I love tomatoes. I know some people hate them, but you really have to try them with guacamole because it's delicious. And you know, whatever, like just as best you can. And then vertically, so then you have these little squares of tomato, and then you just throw them into your bowl. And I probably shouldn't have done that right now. You know what? I was supposed to squish the avocado first. I'm not a great chef. So my mom always uses, and look, it has a red handle, it matches the kitchen. My mom always uses this like bean squisher thingy to squish the avocado, so we're gonna do that. And even though we already threw some tomato in it, it's fine, it's delicious. So yeah, I'm just gonna squish it. Oh my goodness, yes. These avocados were perfect. So now we just throw it in. I love a whole lot of cilantro. If you're not a fan of these little leaves, why are you not? But if you want, you can just put a little bit, or you can totally skip it. Guacamole can be made so many different ways, and if you don't like certain parts of it, then take it out. Doesn't matter. Nobody's judging. I'm not. So now we're just gonna throw it into our bowl. There we go. I took off 2 layers of onion, and now, we're gonna cut this onion in half, and then we're gonna dice it all up. I typically don't cry with onion, maybe because I'm probably a psychopath. La-da-dee, la-da-doo, la-da-da. Woo! I can't see! But I'm also gonna take this spoon and just start mixing everything with our guacamole. And my eyes still hurt. I shouldn't have cut up that onion. Woo! Whoa, it looks really good, you guys. Like, Chipotle got nothing on this knife. And we're gonna cut our lime. And as a Mexican, I prefer limes over lemons, but comment down below, let me know what you think. Let me put this down. Okay, and I'm gonna get my lime squeezer because even though I go to the gym, I have no upper body strength. So Now we're just gonna squeeze some lime over everything. I think half is enough. That had a lot of juice. So now we are going to get our fake meat. Oh my god. Okay, let's do it. And here it is. This is my fake meat. This is the Morningstar Farms Veggie Meal Starters Grillers Crumbles. I've only ever found this at Publix, but they have started selling the brand Morningstar Farms at like Walmart and Kroger and stuff. But this is my absolute favorite thing from their entire line. And you guys, when you cook this up, like, it literally tastes like carne asada mixed with like barbacoa. Like, it's so good. But like when you're cooking it, you literally just add some water. I mean, honestly, I don't know if this is vegan. I just know that this is a substitute for ground beef. And like I said, I have like digestive issues with beef and like red meats in general. So this is like a great substitute for me. It tastes delicious. You don't just have to use it for tacos. You can use this for so many things. You can use it for lasagna, chili, like baked potatoes. Loaded baked potatoes, obviously, and so many other things that you might use beef for. So definitely give this a try. It's super delicious. So we're gonna go ahead and start cooking it. Okay, you guys, so we are now at the stove live and in person, and I'm sorry if I look like a ghost, but my light is right here. And I'm just going to be taking this little pot with this cute little red pattern because it matches my mom's kitchen. And I don't even think this is the right top for it, but it works, it's fine. I'm not gonna go looking for it. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn on the stove. And I turned on the wrong one, wow. Finally, okay. And we're gonna put it on medium high. So I have my Morningstar Farms Veggie Meal Starters Grillers Crumbles here. And I'm just gonna go ahead and open it all up. And I almost always cook the whole thing. I know a lot of people don't because it's like a resealable bag. But I just do because then the next day I don't have to go. My mom is gonna kill me. Okay, you guys, most of it landed in the pot thingy, but yeah, just be more careful than I am. So like I was saying, I'm just gonna go and cook all of it. Okay, you guys, so in this little measuring cup I have a 1/3 cup of water. Okay, so now that it's really kind of like defrosting and cooking all up in there, we're just gonna cover it for a little bit so it can like more evenly distribute the heat all up in there. Okay, you guys, I know this is not the best like layout or whatever, but it's fine, we'll work with it. So I'm gonna take these corn tortillas. Wait, actually I don't like these. I'll be right back. So I'm gonna take these El Milagro corn tortillas. I really love these because they're a little bit thicker so your taco won't break, which is just like a first world type of problem. So I'm gonna go ahead and flip the tortillas. I like them to be a little bit like crunchy. And now we're gonna go ahead and check on our meat again. So this is a little bowl for your tortillas to keep them warm, and it is life-changing in this house. So just throw your tortillas in there and they'll be ready for when you're ready to make your tacos. It's ready. So we're gonna go ahead and turn it off. I'm gonna take it off the stove and just put it on this little cute bowl that I found. Okay, you guys, so we are back to where we started. I have my guac right here. I have my tortillas in here. I have my fake meat. And I have a little lettuce right here. So in case you want to cut down on carbs or calories or whatever it is, and you don't like tortillas or something, you can always use a lettuce leaf as your tortilla. I don't know how many calories these tacos have. I have no idea. I don't really care because I don't eat them very often and they're like my comfort food. So I really don't want to like worry about it making me fat or anything if it's just something I really, really love and I don't eat often. So I've already taken the 2 lettuce leaves off of that little lettuce. So I got the last few things from the fridge. I just have my favorite sour cream, and oh my god, this is actually a Salvadorian cream, but it's really, really good and I think it goes perfect with these tacos. But you can get your favorite sour cream, or if you don't like sour cream, you can totally skip out on that. And I have some fresh cheese from the supermarket here. So I just have my giant plate right here, and I'm going to take a lettuce leaf. So just put it in the middle. You know what? I need a smaller spoon. Put it on here, now that I have my smaller spoon. And then we're gonna put our guac on there. So kind of make sure it's evenly distributed. Now we're gonna take our cheese, and my hands are clean. We're gonna take a piece of this cheese, and I'm just going to crumble it over the taco. And I'm gonna take my sour cream and kind of just drizzle some over it. I'm gonna take some salt because I added no salt to anything. Extra lime never hurt anyone. It prevents scurvy, did you know? And oh my god, our taco is done with the lettuce leaf. Now we're gonna go ahead and take a tortilla and do the same. So again, I'm taking my tortillas from my little bowl, and they're so warm still. Okay, you guys, so my mom made this salsa for my dad yesterday, and I'm just gonna drizzle some over it. The salsa is cold because it was in the fridge, but I don't feel like warming it up because I'm gonna use a little bit, and the taco is really hot, so I'm just gonna drizzle some on top. So I'm just gonna take this, and let's go ahead and try it. That was delicious. My mom's salsa like hit the spot, girl. I think it has like green peppers or something, but it tastes so good with the tacos. Again, if you don't have salsa or you don't like salsa, totally cool. The tacos are still super delicious, but oh my goodness, they are so good. I hope you enjoyed making these tacos with me. It was so super fun and delicious. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish this up. I don't think I'm gonna eat any more for today, but you know, I'll have some for tomorrow, so yay me. But yeah, I hope you guys really try this recipe out, and if you do, comment down below or tag me on Instagram or whatever you want. Let me know. I would love to see it. So that's it for me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next Saturday. Bye guys.